So WordPress is changing. You may have heard about Project Gutenberg. We've certainly talked about it in the office a lot, but maybe a lot of people don't know about it yet. And we're here to tell you about how it's going to change the way you edit content in WordPress. So Anton, what exactly is Gutenberg?
So Gutenberg is a new way to edit content. So instead of editing a page, you can now edit blocks. So what are blocks? Can you tell us something about that?
Yeah, you can think of blocks as Legos that you use to build your content with. It used to be just a long list of headings, text, images. And in HTML, we put sort of an imaginary box around it. You have your headings and your paragraphs and your images and media embeds. And what Gutenberg does is bring that to the front. You can actually see this structure and work with it. Thanks for watching our video.
I'm Anton.
I'm Tim.
And we're the good guys.
Want to know more about Gutenberg?
Watch the whole series on youtube.com/Joost and subscribe.